A. M. Varun of LKG B is the topper. From C, it is Shreya Sri A. From LKG D, E. Diya. DNK Sai Vinay Deep from LKG E stood the topper. From LKG F, it is Venkata Manikantha Meghan V. Venkata Manikantha Meghan from LKG F. Jnanesh Kumar from UKG A. Sai Shubhang from UKG B. Hemant Kumar Reddy N from UKG D. And from UKG E, it is T. Aditya. T. Aditya. And from UKG F, Srinjit V. It is V. Srinjit, topper in UKG F. Coming to classes 1 and 5, Sarayu VVS of 1A has won the proficiency award in the first language. Vinuta Chand M of 1A is the topper in English. R. Abhinav from 1E is the topper in Maths, Environmental Sciences and Aggregate. Himalasya G of 2G is the topper in first language. In English, Venkata Sai Kashyap A of 2C is the topper. From 2A, Sesha Sai Hamsika CH stood the topper in the subject of mathematics. K. David Vinil Raj from 2C is the topper in Environmental Sciences and Aggregate. Mukesh N. Chugani from 3G. Mukesh N. Chugani from 3G is the topper in first language, Maths, Science, Social and Aggregate. Vijay Vishwanath from 3D is the topper in English. Shruti R. Jain from 4E is the topper in first language and English. Ramadhiras P. from 4A is the topper in social studies. From 4F, J. Chandrasekhar stood the topper in Maths, Science and Aggregate. Coming to class 5, P. Bhuvanachandra from 5E is the topper in first language and social studies. Nikhil Sravan Krishna S from 5D is the topper in English. R. Lakshman from 5I is the topper in the subject of science. K. Akhila from 5G has been the topper in Aggregate. Thank you very much, sir. May I now take the privilege of requesting Sri K. Basavapurnaya Garu to continue presenting awards to the full attendance prize winners for the academic year 2006-2007. P. Snehita of LKG A. She came to school without getting absented for even a single day in the academic year. A very rare feat. From LKG B, it is Asha Nandini K. K. Abhinay Siddhartha from LKG C has got the full attendance prize. K. Srimant from UKG D Leela Sudarshan K from UKGF. Coming to class 1, N. Samyukta of 1B has got the full attendance prize for the academic year 2006-07. K. Dhanya of 1G, M. Gayatri from 1G, K. Chandra Srikiran from 2A, N. Lavanya Lahari from 2B, M. Tanmisha 2C, Ravindra Prasad Aryulu Y from 2E, Himalasya G from 2G, M. Nagavenkata Priyanka from 3B, Y. Sai Srija from 3B, J. Vaishnavi from 3D, Nagasai Akhil PPB from 3F, M. Yoshita from 3H, N. Srikar from 3H, Mani Krishna Hemant yes from 4A, thank you very much, sir. May I now request Shri K. Rambabu Garu to continue presenting the full attendance prize winners from class 4. Yes, Prashanti from 4A got the full attendance prize for the year 2006-07. K. Sai Raghav from 4B, DLS Sri Rachana from 4B, K. Akhila from 4D, Raga Susmita N from 4D, N. Kavyasri 4F, K. Divya from 5B, P. Murali Krishna from 5B, B. Manas 5C, V. Kaushik 5D, G. Rishidhar 5D, Sai Krishna LVV 5D, B. Pujit 5E, SK Mehboob Basha 5I, G. Padma Priyanka 5I, CH Ravichand 5I, thank you very much, sir. Now over to Mr. Ramana Reddy for the proficiency and full attendance prizes of secondary sections.
Thank you, Mr. R.K. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Now I take this opportunity on behalf of Nalanda Vidyaniketan to call upon the secondary students who have shown their proficiency in academics for the academic year 2006 and 7. Now may I request one of our directors, Shri A.V. Subbarao Garu, to come over here to give away the prizes. Starting with 6th class state, G. Lakshmi Shweta of 6th A, who stood first in first language Telugu, second language Hindi, science, social and aggregate as well. From the same class, SVDB Vinutna of 6th D, who tops in English. J. Sai Krishna of 6th C, who tops in maths, first language Hindi and second language Telugu. Coming to 6th CBSE, G. Renu Krishna, who tops in second language Telugu, English, Maths, Social and Aggregate. Next, Aditya Jitendra Shah, who tops in second language Hindi. Vaishnavi Ray, third language Sanskrit. Now K. Aishwarya, third language Hindi and science as well. Coming to 7th state, K. Sriram Gunashekar of 7th F, who tops in first language Telugu. Sheikh Shoaib of 7th C, first language Hindi. G. Chetana of 7th B, second language Hindi. P. Vishala Bhavishya of 7th C, second language Telugu. Y. Fani Rohit of 7th B, who tops in English, Mathematics and Social as well. C. H. Charan Teja of 7th B, Mathematics and Aggregate as well. G. Kirtana of 7th A, tops in Mathematics. Last but not the least, from 7th state, C. H. Rohit Sai of 7th A, tops in Science. Coming to CBSE stream of 7th, K. R. C. Prasad, 7th G, who tops in English, second language Telugu, third language Hindi, Mathematics, Science, Social and Aggregate. Vishal of 7H, second language Hindi. Sai Fani A of 7H, third language Sanskrit. Coming to 8th class state, KP Sudha Gayatri of 8th D, first language Telugu. J. Maruti Ram of 8th A, tops in first language Hindi. C.H. Lakshmi Narayan Reddy of 8th C, tops in second language Telugu. G. Abhinay of 8th A, tops in second language Hindi. M. Pawnee of 8th A is the topper of English. G. Madhuleka of 8th A, tops Maths, Science, Social Studies and Aggregate. Coming to the CBSE stream of 8th class, M. Bhanu Srivatsav of 8th G, who tops in English and Aggregate. PSK Jayadev of 8th G, second language Telugu and Aggregate. Pradeep Kumar V. Jain of 8th H, second language Hindi, third language Sanskrit and Mathematics. V. Tishya of 8th G, tops in third language Hindi and Social Studies as well. Umair Khan of 8th H, tops in Science. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Shri Basavapurnaya Garu to come over here to give away the prizes to the rest of the students of 9th class. Starting with 9th state, TSR Pavan Kumar of 9th A, who tops in first language Telugu. Y. Raghuram of 9th A, first language Hindi. Ms. Evangeline of 9th A, first language Hindi. Sai Spandana M of 9th A, who tops in second language Telugu. N. Lakshmi Saumya of 9th A, second language Hindi and English. S. Abhishek of 9th C, tops in Mathematics. P. Sai Krishna of 9th A, tops in Science. I. Krupa of 9F, tops in Social Studies and Aggregate. Coming to the CBSE stream, Ankit Prasad Ji, who is the topper of English. Priyanka KV is the topper of second language Telugu. Swati Saraf, top second language Hindi. Radha Kishan A, tops Mathematics. Sri Sai Raghav Reddy, tops in Science. Raja Venkat Krishna B, tops in Social Studies. Mrudula A was a topper in aggregate.